In this video, we'll learn about the truncate table statement. The truncate table statement will remove all records from the table or a set of tables. So it is same as the delete statement without a where clause. So if you remember, when we learned about delete statement, we used to specify some conditions using the where statement so that only a part of the table is deleted which is satisfying that condition. If you do not mention any condition, whole of the table will be deleted. Truncate table will be doing the same thing. If you look at the syntax, it starts with truncate. You have an optional parameter only. Then you mention the table name. Then there is optional parameter of cascade or restrict. So when to use this only keyword? If your table has descendant tables, in case some table has inherited columns from this table, if you use only this table will be deleted, else any descendant table will also be deleted. The cascade and restrict are used if there is any table which is having foreign key reference with this table. If you write cascade, all such tables will also be deleted. If you write restrict, if there is any such table with foreign key reference to this table will also not be deleted. So cascade will help you delete all the tables related to this table using a foreign key, and restrict will prevent deletion of this table if it has a foreign key reference with other tables. Note that truncate is similar to delete command. It will only delete the rows of the table. It will not delete the table. To delete the table, you will have to use the drop table command. As an example, if you want to clear all the contents of the customer 2060 table that we created earlier, we will write truncate table and mention the table name. This will be same as delete from customer _ 20 _ 60, but we are using truncate table because truncate table performs better than delete operation. The advantages of truncate table will also be discussed in the performance tuning section of this course. And now let us go and write this query in pgadmin. So these are the contents of the customer 2060 table. If I want to clear all these contents, I'll write truncate table and mention the table name. This is customer 2060. Since this table does not have any foreign reference keys, we do not worry about the cascade and restrict keywords. Let us run this command again. You can see this table is now clear. Do note that the column names and the data types of columns are still there. That is, the table is still there, it is not deleted. You can go and check that table in the public tables, and you can see that the table is still there and it still has all the columns, but all the rows of this table are now deleted. So that is all about the truncate table query. Thanks.